Nice.
Alright, let's do this, guys.
Oh. I think the still going. Go watch for wherever that padlock goes to. Oh shit. Fucker.
Oh my god.
I told you fucking disappears.
That's fucking funny.
At least it,
3, 2,
made him stop.
Not really.
Yeah, but. Okay. Wait, no, it's not the first.
Oh, bullshit.
You hear that?
Yeah. Dude, look at that.
There's people out there.
People, what the fuck?
Oh.
Oh my god. You hear the slight Grudge sound?
I can barely hear it. I have terrible hearing though.
I don't want to go out there.
Do we have to go out here?
Fuck.
Maybe over here.
I don't know what's padlocked.
Padlocked, maybe that. Oh, no, I guess not. Can't get around there. Well, since there are people there, you'd think we have to go this way, right?
I guess, I don't know. I didn't see anything that was padlocked this way. More people.
More people.
Holy!
Now it's bloody cool.
The head flew up and then it turned to... Whoa, that's creepy. I think we're going the right way.
Yeah, obviously. Oh, what the fuck?
Shiny.
Yeah, the swings are going hardcore.
Yeah. That wasn't there before.
Oh god.
This is fucking creepy.
It wants
dude.
you to walk on the sand pit.
Oh shit! Oh god!
We told you!
Yeah.
God
Damn it! You can tell I fucking jumped because I did a complete 180 with the fucking wheel.
Oh, that for fucking battery. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh, like the one guys that we watched and pause it every time.
Yeah, they fucking push the whole menu.
Yeah.
Look at the ball.
Oh shit.
Like,
Is that a fucking fake? Oh yeah, cool.
It's
oh shit.
oh my. Oh my god.
Dude!
Oh god.
I thought I saw a face on it.
Yeah, just a little fucking boy's face.
This is fucking scary. Oh my god.
What's padlocked over here? Look to the right. Oh, this gate, remember?
Oh yeah, this game.
Oh my god.
Boy.
Awesome.
Did you really have to look up at that, Chris?
That's an outline of a body.
No, Jesus.
Awesome.
It should be good.
And a delivery boy is going here. Why?
I don't know, he already delivered the package.
I
Yeah,
know, but he
there's
found
a
a key, and now he needs to know what's going on.
Because
And he keeps seeing these shiny things. He's just gotta.
After he saw a fucking shit ton of arms come out of sandbox.
Go
Sand
towards the
circle.
shiny.
It's like the guy.
Oh god, oh god.
What?
I heard the Grudge.
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah. Oh god.
Okay, got a battery. Nice. What the fuck is that?
Oh.
Shit.
Well, obviously that. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's where we gotta go next. More 40s.
Damn it.
You guys thirsty?
Yeah, 40s.
Look at all these cheeseburgers, man.
I don't want any cheeseburger. Oh. Do we check it?
Locked.
Okay, maybe we come back.
Oh, we can go upstairs.
Well, that's what I mean. Come back later.
See, I like not dying. Because then it's, like, good.
I'm thirsty for water, not pop.
Well, I'm sorry. I thought it'd be nice to bring you guys pop this time instead of us having to go get it.
Thanks,
Asshole.
right.
Whoa. No, yeah, look down.
Something's
Ooh,
gonna come out
piece
of the
of
board.
candy.
Something's gonna come out of the board.
Piece of candy. Room 2. Oh, that was downstairs. 2101.
I knew it. I fucking Oh my god. Fuck this.
Should we go to... Yeah, we have to.
That's the only place to go.
God damn it.
Oh, handprints.
That just happened right now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Would you,
More.
would you not leave when that is happening? What's going on?
I don't know, just made a fucking...
Oh. Wow.
What the fuck?
Somebody got...
Is there a face in it? Okay,
I
no.
guess,
like in the middle, it kind
No,
of
it's
looks like.
That kind of looks like a face.
It's kind of like Boondock Saints cat splatter.
Oh.
Okay.
That. Oh my god.
Here we go.
Unlocked.
Scoot after it.
Fuck. There it is.
Oh shit, not one of these.
I want to have a creepy ass...
Oh god.
Fuck.
And why would you?
Oh my...
Oh my god. Fucking.
Is it covered by hair? Yeah. Oh god.
Should we try and open it or what? Can't.
Dude, she needs to get a haircut.
It just keeps growing.
This is fucking creepy.
Look for something shiny if there's anything.
We'll look in the closet because that's what we found in the last room.
What was that?
I don't know.
What?
Suddenly goes in your house.
Yeah.
Oh god. Get ready to fight.
Shit. She came in.
She's gonna be in there with us. In the Wii mode at the circle.
I thought it was... Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh boy. You're dying, you're dying.
Oh my god. That's so
She's
hard
coming
because
back.
I like...
Oh god!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You can be in there with her.
Oh my god. Fuck. Dude, that was so hard to hold that fucker in the circle when it was like that big.
That's what she said. Shit though.
Okay.
Oh my god. You're like, oh yeah, we beat it, we're done. Fucking Asian boy.
There's
Oh my God, you
all
see all
those
the-
dolls.
See all the dolls?
I hate dolls and bloody sacks.
No, just the one's bloody.
What they exploded?
So they all turn to look at you.
What the shit?
Spin the fucking nose.
Yeah, it like screamed. They're all doing it now.
They all died. Too much 40.
Oh, what the shit?
There's a face on it too.
Is it
The frowny face. See it? And there's a smiley face right above it. Dude, go back. There's a sparkly thing. You're right.
No, there's not.
Oh, I thought that was a battery.
Not the camera. Oh my god, that is disgusting. Oh my god. I don't know, I think it wanted you to be closer because the bag like totally reached out. Careful, we're getting close on time.
Well, looks like we're going this way. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Did you hear it?
yes.
Oh shit.
It's gonna be that hole
Like,
right there. Yeah. Oh my god! God, it just keeps getting harder.
Jump fag. Oh fuck. Where's that?
Above him. I'm very sorry. That's. Oh no! Reverse cowgirl.
She's critical.
Okay, we're over time.
Yeah, I know. No balls.
Oh shit!
Dude, did we die?
That's the end of the level.
Fucking dead. Oh my goodness.